How to start a profitable digital products business. A digital products business allows you to create and sell items online without dealing with inventory, shipping, or manufacturing costs. Since digital products can be sold repeatedly with no additional production costs, this business model is highly profitable. In this article, we'll explore how to start and grow a successful digital products business. What are digital products? Digital products are intangible goods that can be sold and delivered online. Unlike physical products, they do not require storage or shipping. Common digital products include ebooks, educational or entertaining books in PDF or EPUB format, online courses, video lessons or tutorials on various topics, printables, planners, worksheets, and templates for personal or business use, stock photos and graphics, high-quality images and design elements, music and audio files, royalty-free music, sound effects, or podcasts, software and apps, tools, plugins, or mobile applications. Steps to start a digital products business. 1. Choose a profitable niche. Identify a market with demand and low competition. Popular niches include personal development, business growth, health and wellness, and creative arts. Use tools like Google Trends and keyword research to find in-demand topics. 2. Create high-quality products. Your digital product should solve a problem or provide value. If you're creating an ebook, ensure it's well-researched and engaging. For online courses, use clear video and audio. High-quality content increases customer satisfaction and repeat sales. Before proceeding to number 3, I would like you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that whenever we drop a video like this, you become one of the person to be notified. 3. Set up a selling platform. You can use to sell digital products through your website. Use platforms like WordPress with WooCommerce or Shopify. Marketplaces, sell on Etsy for printables, Gumroad or Udemy for courses. Membership sites, offer exclusive content through Patreon or Teachable. 4. Price your products. Smartly consider market demand, competitors' pricing, and perceived value. Offer tiered pricing or bundles to attract different buyers. 5. Market your digital products. SEO optimization. Use relevant keywords to attract organic traffic. Social media marketing. Promote on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. Email marketing. Build an email list and send promotions to potential buyers. Paid ads. Use Facebook ads or Google ads to reach your target audience. 6. Automate delivery and customer support. Use platforms that provide instant downloads or access after purchase. Set up automated email responses and FAQs to handle common customer questions. 7. Scale your business. Expand your product line. Offer more products in your niche. Create subscription models. Offer exclusive content through monthly memberships. Affiliate marketing. Partner with influencers or bloggers to promote your products. Challenges of a digital products business. High competition. Many digital products exist, so standing out is crucial. Piracy risks. Protect your content with copyright measures. Marketing effort. Without physical presence, digital products require strong marketing to attract buyers. Conclusion. Starting a digital products business is an excellent way to earn passive income and build a scalable online business. With the right niche, high-quality content, and strong marketing strategies, you can create a profitable business that generates income for years. Once before you go, I will like you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that whenever we drop a video like this, you become one of the person to be notified. Thanks, and God bless you.